So if you also want to grow your Amazon FBA sales 2x, 3x or maybe 5x, which obviously every Amazon seller wants, then you first need to know the basic and fundamental concepts like how this mechanism of bringing sales will work. So once you have understand this from the basic and you start implementing all the strategies that can bring more traffic to your listing, so you will be able to increase all of your Amazon sales. So if you also want to learn all the tips step by step, then make sure to keep on watching this video till the end without skipping any part, because in this video I'm going to share with you all the tips that actually helps me to grow my Amazon FBA sale from $1,000 per month to $10,000 per month. And I'm going to show you the live example in this video. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on Amazon Seller Central now, and before getting started, I'm just going to show you some sales. So that will work as a proof that after implementing all those strategies that I'm going to reveal you in this video today, have actually bring me a lot of sales. So today is 15 September 2022 right now, and if I just put the filter for the past year, like 15 September 2021 here, so you can see that in 1 year, I'm only having one product in this account, and in this 1 year I got the revenue of $112,000 for only one product, and total units sold were 3,303. And I actually spent only $10,000 in advertising for this account, and against that $10,000 I just got the revenue of this. And if I subtract my all the expenses like FBA fee, storage fee, shipping fee, supplier fee and PPC fee, then after deducting all the expenses, the net $50,000 was my profit. So let me just show you the PPC as well. So if I go to PPC campaign manager and change the filter from last 65 days to a lifetime, so you can see that the lifetime spend of this account of PPC is $11,848. And against that spend, I've got more than $112,000 sales. So if you are curious that how it happened, so you need to understand the basic fundamental like how you can get sales on Amazon. So basically your Amazon sales depend on two main factors. Number one, traffic, and number two, conversion. So now let's understand them one by one. So what is traffic? So if your listing are getting customer, like your listing is displaying on Amazon search engine organically or from PPC, and people can see your listing, they can click on your listing and they can actually land on your listing. So that will call the traffic coming into your listing. So for example, if you are getting 1,000 people clicking on your listing per day, so that means you are getting 1,000 traffic per day. But for example, you are somehow convincing 1,000 people to click on your listing from organically, from PPC or from any social media platform, like you are redirecting traffic from Facebook to Amazon, like you are making people basically land on your shop. Like for example, you are making 1,000 people visit your shop, so that means you are redirecting 1,000 people to your shop. But for example, out of all those 1,000 people, only 2 people or only 10 people purchase. So that means you are only getting 1% conversion rate. So that means you are bringing traffic, but you are not getting conversions. So that might be due to many reasons, like your title, bullet points or description must not be super attractive and will not be able to convince people to buy your product, or your main image or your other images or your video are not convincing enough so they can make the people purchase from your store, or there is any other problem with your listing or optimization. If you are getting traffic but you are not getting conversion, that means you need to improve your listing, you need to optimize your listing in order to convince all those customers who are actually coming to your shop to purchase the product. But for example, if we reverse the scenario, like your listing is very good, your images, your optimization, your title, bullet point, everything is too much convincing, but you are not getting enough traffic to your listing. Like your listing is good, your shop is good, your product is good, but people are not visiting your shop. So in that scenario, you will also not get too much sales because your product is good, but you're not getting reach or traffic. So in order to get more and more sales, you need to focus on all those parts. Like you need to bring traffic to your listing from PPC, from Amazon Organic or from any social media platform like TikTok or Pinterest. And on the other hand, you need to optimize your listing images, content, bullet point and everything in order to make those traffic purchase your product. So let me just show you how you can track the conversion of your listing. So from this window on the left side, you can just click on detail page by ASIN. And from there, you can see that these are my SKU and these are the total number of session. Like on this SKU, on this range of time, I got 2,887 people see my listing. And out of that, 188 people purchase my product. You can see that under the units order. So that means on that listing, that amount of people I got into my shop and that amount of people actually purchased. And this is the total session percentage and this is the total unit percentage. Like out of all the people visiting my shop, 6.5% are actually those people who are purchasing. So that means my conversion rate is 6.5, which is not very good but not very bad. So if I somehow increase this conversion rate to 10% or maybe 15%, then I'll start getting more and more sales. So on the other hand, if I go to detail page by date and click here, so from here you will be able to see the breakdown for the session, clicks, impression and sales for each and every day. You can see that this is the date, and on this date I got $174 sale, on this date I got $454 sale, and basically 13 units ordered. Total order was 8, total sessions was 135. Like on that day, 135 people actually comes to my shop, and out of those 135, 13 people actually purchase. So this is a very good conversion rate. You can see that 9.63. And if I want to increase or make that conversion rate better, then I must need to optimize my listing. So if you also want to learn like how you can increase the traffic on your listing and how you can actually optimize your listing. So I am having 2 different videos on all these 2 topics in detail. So you can watch all those videos on my channel, and I'll also put the link of all those videos in the description below. And if you want me or someone from my team to do the audit of your listing or your account to find out the problem in your listing, like why your listing is not getting traffic or why your listing is not getting any conversion, so you can just fill out the simple form in the description. So me or someone from my team will contact you and do the audit of your listing. So we can basically share you a free report so you can just improve your listing and hence get more and more sales. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you really found my content informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in the future. And if you have any question regarding this video or any other topic regarding e-commerce, then you can just chat with me anytime from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.